Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of trendy makeup inspirations for those of us who adore natural beauty. Forget heavy layers, we're talking about enhancing your features, not masking them. Let's explore some fresh, easy to achieve looks perfect for everyday wear. First up, the no makeup look. This is all about looking like you woke up flawless. Start with a light, hydrating foundation or tinted moisturizer. Focus on evening out your skin tone, not creating a mask. Next, use a creamy concealer to target any blemishes or dark circles. A touch of cream blush in a rosy or peach hue on the apples of your cheeks adds a healthy flush. For the eyes, a subtle swipe of mascara and a clear brow gel to groom. Your brows are all you need. Finish with a hydrating lip balm or a tinted lip oil for a natural, glossy finish. Next, the sun-kissed glow. This look is all about embracing that radiant, effortless vibe. Begin with a bronzer applied to the areas where the sun naturally hits your face, your forehead, cheekbones, and nose. Opt for a matte or satin finish bronzer that complements your skin tone. Add a cream highlighter to the high points of your face, like your cheekbones and the bridge of your nose, for that luminous glow. For the eyes, try a warm eyeshadow palette, using neutral shades like browns and bronzes. A touch of mascara completes the look. Finally, apply a tinted lip gloss or a nude lipstick to keep the focus on your glow. Let's talk about the soft glam look. This is a step up from the no makeup, perfect for a date night or a special occasion. Start with a medium coverage foundation. Use concealer to brighten your under eye area and cover any imperfections. For the eyes, create a soft smoky eye using a palette of neutral shades. A shimmery eyeshadow on the lid adds a touch of glam. Use a black eyeliner to tightline your upper lash line, to make your lashes look fuller. Apply your favorite mascara, add a touch of blush to your cheeks, and contour your face for more definition. For the lips, a nude lipstick or a glossy lip is an easy choice. Remember, natural beauty is about embracing your unique features. These looks are simply guidelines. Feel free to adapt them to suit your style and preferences. The key is to have fun and feel confident in your own skin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.